Hey guys, Kimberly Thomason here with VacMD, and today we're going to talk about Suds. It is an all-purpose, water-based, non-toxic, no ammonia, no abrasives. I've been using it here in the store. I've used it at home, and I'm pretty impressed by this product. It will remove stains. I've removed stains from surfaces and dirt from surfaces. It cleans up stains from carpet. You can clean your clothing with it, and made in the US. Let's see the different uses for Suds. You can use it as a paste. It has a very pleasant fragrance. It's like a lemony smell. Or you can mix it, and I'll show you how to do that. But pretty much you just put a couple tablespoons or a couple teaspoons with some water and hot water, or you can put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds and melt it up. And it will melt and dissolve into the water, and then I filled the rest of the bottle with about 16 ounces of water. All right, some of the uses that I have used it on is carpet. We put some Sharpie on the carpet and cleaned it up really well. There used to be Sharpie on this carpet, so there you go. We also have used it on our bench. Our tech bench in the back is so dirty, and sure enough, it is cleaning the dirt off the carpet. It's not very expensive. It is dilutable. For this 8-ounce container, it is $24, I believe. There is a link below to purchase it, and I am sure you will be just as happy with all of its uses as I am.